Introducing CSE Olympiad 7.0, a national level opportunity designed to empower young minds and help students move ahead with confidence. Registrations are now open. CSE Olympiad 7.0 brings a powerful learning and competition platform for students from Class 3 to Class 12. Students can participate across 17 subjects, and the Olympiad is available in 10 language mediums, including Hindi, English, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, Odia, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, and Telugu. And the registration fee is just Rs 299 per subject. Please note, the study material for the subjects will be available in English medium only. Students get access to full mock tests with 5 sets of mock tests that can be attempted 3 times each. They also get strength identifier reports, helping them understand where they are strong and where they need improvement. Along with this, students get study materials and quizzes to keep their preparation active, engaging, and focused. CSE Olympiad bridges the gap in the preparation of young learners and helps them move step by step towards better performance. Preparing for CSE Olympiad is simple and flexible. Students can practice online anytime and anywhere. They can access the platform using a computer, laptop, or mobile phone. The preparation can be done from CSE Academy or VLE centers, from the school's computer lab, from a cyber cafe or computer center, or even from home. So wherever the student is, learning and practice can continue without interruption. CSE Olympiad is an online proctored exam, making the exam process secure, transparent, and accessible. To appear for the exam, students will need a computer or laptop with a webcam. The exam can be taken from CSE Academy or VLE centers, the school's computer lab, a cyber cafe or computer center, or from home. Under the National Topper Scholarships, students from Class 3rd to Class 12th can compete for exciting scholarship rewards. The first position winner will receive a total scholarship of 30,000 rupees. The second position winner will receive 20,000 rupees. The third position winner will receive 10,000 rupees. Along with this, laminated paper certificates will be provided to all scholarship winners. It is not just an exam, it is a platform to recognize talent, effort, and achievement. CSE Olympiad also celebrates schools that encourage large-scale student participation. Schools with 500 or more test takers will compete for top national rankings. The first position school will receive a total award of 1 lakh rupees. The second position school will receive 75,000 rupees. The third position school will receive 25,000 rupees. In addition, trophies and certificates will be awarded to the top 3 schools in every state. This makes CSE Olympiad a great opportunity not only for students but also for schools to showcase their academic strength at the national level. Now let us look at the CSE Olympiad 7.0 exam calendar for 2026. The final exam will be conducted in 2 phases. Phase 1 will be held in November 2026. Phase 2 will be held in December 2026. The examination window for each subject will remain open for 3 days, from 9 am to 6 pm. Students will have the flexibility to choose any day within that window to sit for the final exam. They may choose any one date and slot from Phase 1 or Phase 2. Registrations are open. Encourage students to participate in CSE Olympiad and take one step forward towards academic excellence. To participate, contact your nearest CSE center or visit www.cseolympiad.org. Thank you.